Welcome to Brainy Bench Channel. Should we go in the sunlight or not? Why sunlight is awesome, in moderation. Why you shouldn't overdo it. Yes, but in moderation. Skin makes vitamin D when exposed to UVB rays. It's crucial for bone health, immunity, and even mood regulation. What does protein mainly help build? Muscle or bone or blood? Proteins are vital for the growth, maintenance, and repair of muscle tissue, providing the structural framework that enables muscles to contract and function. Which food group gives us energy to stay active? Options are carbohydrates or vitamins or fats. Carbohydrates are the body's preferred and primary source of energy for physical activity and brain function. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? The vitamin known as the sunshine vitamin is vitamin D. It is called this because the body produces vitamin D when the skin is exposed to ultraviolet B, UVB, rays from sunlight. Which hormone helps regulate blood sugar? Adrenaline or thyroxine or insulin? The hormone that helps regulate blood sugar is insulin. Insulin works in balance with glucagon, which raises blood sugar, to maintain stable blood glucose levels. Which nutrient is essential for healthy bones and teeth? Potassium or calcium or iron? Calcium is a mineral that builds and maintains strong bones and teeth by providing structural support and hardness to bone and tooth enamel. Which is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids? Avocado or salmon or almond? Among the options avocado, salmon, and almond, the best source of omega-3 fatty acids is salmon. What does vitamin D help the body absorb? Options are calcium or protein or iron. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium. Which nutrient is important for healthy red blood cells? Options are vitamin B12, vitamin K, and vitamin E. Vitamin B12 is the key nutrient important for healthy red blood cells among the given options. Which nutrient is important for healthy vision? Vitamin A, vitamin C, or vitamin E? While vitamin C and vitamin E are antioxidants that help protect the eyes from damage and support overall eye health, vitamin A plays the most direct and essential role in healthy vision. Which nutrient is essential for brain function? Options are calcium, vitamin C, and omega-3 fatty acids. The nutrient most essential for brain function among your options is omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, are crucial for building and maintaining brain cell membranes. Which nutrient is important for healthy skin, hair, and nails? Options are vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Vitamin C is the key nutrient among these options for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a key structural protein that provides strength and elasticity to skin, hair, and nails. Which is a good source of vitamin K? Options are nuts and seeds, leafy greens, carrots. Among the options, leafy greens are the best source of vitamin K. Which protein is present in human hair and nails? Options are vasopressin and keratin oxytocin. The protein present in human hair and nails is keratin. Which is a good source of vitamin C? The options are spinach, oranges, and eggs. Among spinach, oranges, and eggs, oranges are a good source of vitamin C. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? Vitamin A or vitamin D or vitamin K? Vitamin K is essential for the synthesis of certain proteins called clotting factors, which are responsible for helping the body clot. Which of these is a major energy-storing nutrient? Carbohydrate or protein or fat? Fat provides the most energy per gram, yielding about 9 calories per gram, making it the most energy-dense nutrient and the primary form of stored energy in the body. Which mineral is essential for oxygen transport in blood? Options are calcium or iron or zinc. The answer is iron. Iron is a core component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that binds and carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. What is the primary site of nutrient absorption in the digestive system? The options are the small intestine, the large intestine, and the stomach. The answer is the small intestine. The small intestine is highly specialized for nutrient absorption, with structures called villi and microvilli that increase its surface area to maximize absorption efficiency. What does BMI stand for? The options are body mass index, bone mass index, body muscle indicator. BMI stands for body mass index, is a numerical value derived from a person's weight and height, used as a simple screening tool to categorize individuals into weight groups such as underweight, normal weight, overweight, and obese. Thank you for watching Brainy Bench. Please like, subscribe, and share to support the channel.